So hello everyone, this is me Sam and welcome back to my YouTube channel Break the Rules. So in today's vlog we are going on a hiking, and in today's vlog there are two people, they are going to accompany me. So I'm going to call them and they will give their introduction. So
Okay, I'm Jenish. I'm from Nepal, and I'm studying in the same uni with Mr. Shahmeer. And today we are going to over the grassland. Maybe you can see it a bit from here. I don't know how is it covering, but it will be a long and fun walk. Let's hope so.
what are you studying here?
Oh yeah, I'm studying Masters in Artificial Intelligence over Jigo.
Great, you have the floor.
So my name is Praceel and I'm also from Nepal, from Kathmandu, and I have been here in Leans since like 10 months. And now me, Jenish and Shahmeer, we are planning to go hiking to that place maybe, or maybe somewhere. I don't know. So let's see, and we have prepared some food, and let's see how we walk, how we're gonna reach there, and maybe we will cover something, and catch you up.
We're gonna record our journey and we'll show you too that after that we're heading towards. We have planned that we should go to that place, but it is very far, but we'll try to cover that place. If we are not able to do it, so we're gonna apologize.
Alright. मेरा हिंदी ज़्यादा good नहीं है. So first of all, namaste and salam alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. So हम वही जो मैंने पहले बताया, हम हाइकिंग जा रहे हैं उस जगह पे. उस जगह का नाम भी पता नहीं, दिखता है हमारे हाइम से, सो हमने सोचा क्यों नहीं चलते हैं. सो अभी सेमेस्टर का भी ब्रेक था, सो हमारा नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर मार्च 7 से शुरू होगा. सो अभी फ्री टाइम था तो सोचा चलते हैं. टुडे आज दिन भी सनी है एंड एवरीथिंग इज गुड. सो देखते हैं क्या होगा. नाइस.
जिगो भाइ.
ओके अब नेपाली में तावा हामी जानला हो उता पर सत्या जानला हो जम भन्यो ल गइदिउँ न त भने हिँड्नला हो. जे होस् रमाइलो हुन्छ होला, हेरौँ अब त्यस्तै हो. हिँड्नु चाहिँ लास्ट छ, हेरौँ कस्तो.
वेरी गुड. समझ में नहीं आया, सुन के अच्छा लगा, लेकिन ये कि बहुत मज़ा आया. चलें अब अपनी जर्नी हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. सो हियर वी गो.
ओके.
हाँ भाई, कैसा लग रहा है? 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ अभी तो भाई. क्या लगता है पहुंच पाएंगे हम? नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. हाँ भाई जिग्गू भाई.
हाँ भाई.
कैसे हो?
थक रहा हो भाई.
थक रहा है. अभी तो कह रहा था इतना चौड़ा कि हाँ ये तुम्हारे लिए फुटबॉल की जगह है.
हाँ, फुटबॉल खेलते हुए लोग थकते हैं ना.
हाँ भाई, जिग्गू भाई तो थक गए. क्या कहना है? कुछ नहीं कहना.
लेंस खत्म हो गया. अब हम पता नहीं कहाँ जाते यार.
अभी दिखाता हूँ, जो जिस सिटी में हम रह रहे हैं वो ख़त्म हो गई, उसकी यानी कि बाउंड्री ख़त्म हो गई. अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं कुछ नहीं पता. We are lost. We are not lost. Yeah, we have to show that we are lost. It is like Men versus Wild, Part 3. Here you can find these woody woodpecker. I call it woody woodpecker because I used to watch these birds as a cartoon in my childhood. So you can find there. So they have written everything. Then when you go further, so you can find all these birds here. So yeah. So guys, right up there, there's our hostel. We left there, and now we are in front of our hostel, and we have to walk a little bit further so then we can reach to our destination, but I don't think so we're gonna make it in time. So let's see.
नहीं हुआ है,
अच्छा चल रहा है
ऑन ही है।
नेचुरल बताते हैं, जो नेचुरल ब्यूटी दिखाएं इसकी।
त्यो दिवस अन्नु नजर प्रसिल्या
ती जान्थ्यो नि अब ती त हुन्थ्यो त्यो यो कति नै खाता हेर त छैन पोइन्ट हम अब लाइक उधर पहुंच जाएंगे like maybe I can zoom it. So there are some houses that looks really nice from here and yeah, let's see.
Not the way where you have to.
No, this is not the way, but there are some ways. So yeah, यही है और देखते हैं उसके बाद उस टावर में जाएंगे। ए हामी जाने भनेको उता माथिको टावर हो नि त खासमा अघि हामी बिहान प्लान गरेको
टावर भी है जिसकी हम बात कर रहे थे,
हाँ
वो इस साइड से है, वो दूसरा टावर है।
ठीक है दूसरा जाएंगे हम चेक रिपब्लिक जाएंगे चलते हुए So like if you are in your home watching this and I hope you are happy and like smiling and you know so this is a sign. Take a walk around your surroundings, see the nature and yeah that's
with the nature.
be one with the nature man.
The nature makes you happy always.
Yeah. Put your phone down. Fucking
Put your phone down, see the clouds, see the skies, you know,
imbecile.
embrace the trees and yeah. Love your neighbors, love Thai neighbors. Got some grass and
Look at the view.
Yeah.
so you can see the difference,
I
right?
like the view. Straight out of the jungle.
So yeah, Grunberg Samlag. Okay. So ऐसा है, ये बहुत अच्छा घर है, ठीक है, सफेद सफेद ब्लैक कलर का चॉकलेट कलर का दिख रहा है ना, ओरियो ओरियो सब अच्छे आए, सब बढ़िया है और दूसरे लोग भी आ रहे हैं लाइक हाइकिंग में.
Spring, you know.
So yeah, actually March here, spring started from March, and I think like in our side of the world also it's the same. The winter is like
less grumpy over here.
yeah. That's like for a gift, you know. We can take it. Yeah. Yeah, it's like
Transfer कर लो भाई.
it's liquor. With vodka. This is for sale. It's 12 euro. So 12 euro for vodka.
Homemade vodka.
Yeah. That's kind of nice, but we're not in the mood of vodka.
No.
Yeah.
Only water.
Only water, man. Drink water.
It's a reminder to drink.
So left, right, straight. So as Shahmeer bhai said, we will cross the
Show
straight
them the
road.
view. The view.
So, wow, this sun is looking nice, I'll say. He's checking his heart rate. That's needed. You have to stay healthy, stay fit. And this is our Shahmeer bhai, he's always fit.
The fittest guy of which time?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my god.
Maybe.
Nah, we're just lying.
हाँ भाई देखो नीचे जाओगे वहाँ लेक बनी हुई है, सही है. हाँ नीचे ही है, जाना लेक पे पहले जाना है, फिर उसके बाद ऊपर ऊपर जाएंगे. देखो अभी पहले इनको बता दो हमें जाना कहाँ है और भी हम जा कहाँ रहे हैं, पहले बताओ ऑडियंस को. भाई हमारे दो हैं भाई हमारे, एक है जिगू भाई और एक हमारे, पहले बताओ.
So it's like we didn't have a fixed destination, like we just predicted some place, so we are going to that place, but we saw a pond there and the pond is nice, so just we want to see it, you know, and then we will continue the journey.
A bit of detour.
And yeah, we'll tell you.
ओके तो भाई हम थोड़ा ट्रैक से हट गए क्योंकि ये हमारे जो दो भाई हैं खूबसूरत से, तो अभी इन्होंने एक लेक देखी, नीचे हम ऊपर से हाइक करते हुए आ रहे थे तो हम एक लेक देखी, तो हम पहले उस लेक पे आपको लेके चलते हैं. छोटी सी लेक है, लेक भी नहीं कहोगे, पॉन्ड है छोटा सा. वहाँ जाते हैं, ये नहीं पता कि वो प्राइवेट है या नहीं, अगर प्राइवेट हुआ तो नहीं जा पाएंगे. उसके बाद जो मेरे पीछे आप जगह देख रहे हैं ना, हमें वहाँ वापस जाना है ऊपर. तो हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे थे कि हम इतना जल्दी जो है वो इधर पहुँच जाएंगे, क्योंकि जिस रास्ते से हम लोग आए वो बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज है, तो हमारा काफ़ी टाइम सेव हो गया. वरना हम सोच रहे थे कि अगर हम लोग आएंगे तो हमें जो एक्चुअल हाइकिंग होती है कि जंगल के ऊपर चढ़ते हुए जाना, जो अनइवन वेज जो होते हैं, तो ये कि अभी वो हमें उससे गुजरना नहीं पड़ा, वी आर लकी। और अब हम जा रहे हैं तो चलो। कैन यू गाइस सिंग एनी फेमस सॉन्ग फ्रॉम नेपाल? एनी फेमस सॉन्ग प्लीज? Stop the war? Yeah. Because people are dying. Civilians are dying. So we should stop the war. What is this? What is this, guys? Except for land.
कहाँ लिखा है? हाँ, ओके।
That means we can go outside from this way.
Hello.
What the fuck, man? That doesn't make sense.
What?
Except for basic intervals. Ausgenommen Grundreiner.
Has the translation enough?
Yeah.
What they said?
This professor is kaput.
The Google that is watching us. Hello Google. अरे भाई यार पता नहीं था यार. Thank you यार, thank you.
Are you guys tired? I'm not tired. I'm not tired because I'm a fitness freak. You see, I always train my legs.
I'm not a fitness freak, but also I'm not tired.
You never get tired. Yeah. You're always prepared for hiking. It's very important, guys. All those who are watching this video, especially fitness lovers, I would recommend, do train your legs. Never skip your legs.
Wow.
Never skip leg day.
Skip up the day.
So we have some sort of planting over here.
Wow.
Pine tree plantation.
Wow. Thank you guys for enlightening me.
So yeah, this will be our sale in Christmas.
This is a real Christmas tree. Can you show them?
Christmas tree business.
ये नहीं.
ये वही है ना. जब क्रिसमस होगा तुम जाओ काटो उठाओ पैसे फिरो. Okay, another green tree.
I didn't understand a thing. I have to learn German, bro. What? He's a translation freak, you can say. Translate. Yeah. खंबा तो लिख कर स्टूडियो मिलेगा.
So guys, we have started our journey from there, down there, okay, and now you can see that how much distance we have covered already, and still we have to go right up there, but we are trying. Let's see if we cannot make it, so we'll just have our meal and then we'll go back. Are you guys tired? Why?
जंगल में ठीक था क्योंकि it's like plain.
Plain the huh?
Like little object and the pivot and it was like some hard to walk grasses. So इसलिए थोड़ा सा disturbance हुआ है.
Yeah, exactly. But this is what we call the actual hiking because we always have to go steep. And Jigo is not tired. He's very motivated. Jigo थक गए. So you guys want to take a rest? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, okay? And if you want to drink water, I have it. And then we'll continue our journey. Yeah, this is what we call actual hiking. Yeah? Oh my god, finally we have covered this steep way, and now we are about to take a rest of 5 minutes and then, or maybe 10 minutes, then we'll